Have you ever dreamed of having your own treehouse? Well, today, two brothers will show you how it's done. The brother carefully select a tall tree with a strong, thick trunk to serve as their treehouse foundation. They evaluate several trees, choosing one that provides a solid base and optimal height for the structure. The tree's stability and thick trunk make it an ideal candidate for holding the weight of the treehouse. After deciding on the tree, they begin planning the layout, considering the best angles for the treehouse's design. They start with the base construction, securing long, robust wooden beams around the tree for a sturdy framework. Each beam is carefully measured to ensure precise placement, preventing any future structural issues. The beams are securely nailed into place, providing a solid foundation for the floor platform. Despite the careful planning, balancing on the tree proves to be challenging during the construction process. The brothers face difficulties as they work on the beams high above the ground, trying to maintain balance. Weather conditions complicate the builds, as strong winds slow down the process. The treehouse offers an amazing view of the surrounding forest, with birds chirping and leaves rustling in the wind. The peaceful sound of nature provides a sense of calm, creating a deep connection with the outdoors. The brothers add vertical beams to reinforce the structure, ensuring its stability and strength. These beams serve as well studs and provide support for windows and doors. The careful placement of beams guarantees the durability of the house's foundation and framework. The roof framework is carefully constructed to ensure stability and long-lasting support for the treehouse. Beams and rafters are secured to create a solid structure that will hold the roofing materials. The framework serves as the foundation for the roof, offering a base for insulation and protection. Each part of the roof framework is measured precisely to maintain balance and ensure durability. The rafters are angled correctly to direct rainwater away from the treehouse, preventing water damage. As the framework takes shape, it becomes clear how the roof will protect the treehouse from the elements. The treehouse roof framework is designed to withstand strong winds and harsh weather conditions. The roof framework plays a vital role in ensuring the treehouse stays safe and dry throughout the seasons. Rough wooden planks are chosen for the treehouse floor due to their cost-effectiveness and natural aesthetic appeal. The planks are laid across beams, creating a sturdy surface that supports the structure while blending with nature. Gaps between planks are adjusted, and they are trimmed to fit around the tree trunk for seamless integration. Wooden planks are placed horizontally and nailed to the vertical support beams to form the treehouse walls. Opening for the window and door are carefully planned and left as part of the treehouse design. Cutting and shipping the wooden planks is easy, making them ideal for DIY treehouse projects. The planks are securely attached to the frame to ensure the structure's stability and strength. Brothers collaborate, combining their creativity and skills to make the treehouse building process enjoyable and efficient. Their teamwork allows for faster completion, with each person contributing to different aspects of the design. By sharing ideas and helping each other, they overcome challenges that arise during the construction process. A wooden shutter-style window is made and attached to the treehouse using basic hinges for functionality. The window opens outward, allowing fresh ventilation and natural light to fill the interior of the treehouse. The window offers a beautiful view of the surroundings, enhancing the connection between the treehouse and nature. The door is crafted from wood, providing an entrance while adding privacy and security to the space. The brothers layer palm leaves onto the wooden framework, creating the final face of the roof. The overlapping leaves shed rainwater, ensuring the house remains protected from the elements. The eco-friendly method uses renewable materials, providing both aesthetic beauty and excellent heat resistance. A wooden railing surrounds the deck, ensuring safety for anyone stepping outside the structure. The deck expands the treehouse, offering space for outdoor seating or relaxation. A rope ladder is made with sturdy ropes and small wooden rungs for a practical treehouse access solution. The sturdy ropes are tied securely to ensure safety when climbing the ladder. The wooden rungs are spaced evenly to provide a comfortable grip and step. The ladder is lightweight, portable, and easily rolled up when not needed, ensuring minimal space usage. It adds a unique, rustic touch to the treehouse, enhancing its natural aesthetic while remaining functional. The wooden rungs provide a stable surface for climbing, ensuring safety and reliability when accessing the treehouse. The simple wooden table is crafted with 4 sturdy legs and a flat wooden top. It's designed to blend seamlessly with the treehouse's natural materials and aesthetic. The table provides a functional space for meals, perfect for small gatherings inside the treehouse. It also serves as a versatile surface for writing, crafting, or other creative activities. The table helps organize and store items, maintaining a neat and tidy treehouse interior. Its portable size allows it to be easily moved and used outside the treehouse as well. This table enhances the overall functionality of the treehouse, making it both practical and cozy. A small cooking setup is built using a wooden frame, sand, and stones in the treehouse. Stones are arranged to support a cooking pan over a fire made from small twigs. This setup provides a compact and functional way to prepare meals on outdoor settings. It also serves as a small fire pit, offering warmth during cooler evenings. The natural materials blend with the rustic theme of the treehouse, adding practicality. This treehouse blends simplicity, creativity, and craftsmanship, using only natural and locally sourced materials. It stands as a testament to teamwork, showing the power of collaboration and ingenuity in design. The design combines functionality and aesthetic, making it the perfect retreat high among the branches. If this project inspires you, like this video and subscribe to Techformation for more creative builds.